Now, under this Regents exams fall sample problems review, we have problem number 11 and problem number 12, same type. Let me do 11th for you first. He's saying contractor needs to purchase 500 bricks. Each brick has dimensions, length, width, height, like that. And the density is given, kg per meter cube. So the maximum capacity of the contractor's trailer is the 900 kg. Can the trailer hold the weight of the 500 bricks? It's a very simple problem if you follow the procedure. So this type of problems may be given for 4 points or 6 points in the Regents exams. So here brick volume I am taking. So which is 5.1 times 10.2 times 20.3. You know, these are all given in centimeters. If I want in meter cube, I have to divide this, I will get in cubic centimeters actually. So if I want in cubic meters, each meter is 100 centimeters. So 100 times 100 times 100. If I divide, I will get the volume of each brick in cubic meter. But I want the bigger volume of 500 bricks. Volume of, how many bricks are there? 500 bricks. That's why I am writing 500 bricks is equal to 500 times 5.1 times 10.2 times 20.3 over 1 followed by 6 zeros, because this when you multiply 100 times 100 times 100 like this 3 times, when you multiply you will get 1 followed by 6 zeros. This is now purely in cubic meter, that is the volume. But he is giving the density of each brick as 1920. Therefore density is mass per volume. So if you want density, if you want the mass, you have to write 1920 is equal to mass per volume of one brick, like this. If you multiply on cross multiplication, you will get mass, this value times 1920. That is the mass for each brick, but we have 500 bricks. Therefore total mass is this. This value is actually this one, and we have 500 bricks. Therefore the mass of the 500 bricks is 500 times this complete figure, 5.1 times 10.2 times 20.3 over 1 followed by 6 zeros. This is volume. This volume times 1920. So I am multiplying here 1920. So if I multiply everything, I will get the total mass. So this I had to use, I can do on calculator. So 1920 times 500 times 5.1 times 10.2 times 20.3. I am entering, I got a bigger number, I had to divide with 1 followed by 6 zeros. So divided by, I am doing division, divided by 1, I have to press 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, enter. Now you got here, we got here 1013 1013.765, that means 77 I can take. This is mass, kilograms. So 500 bricks, mass is this many kgs. But here the question is, see here, the maximum capacity of the contractor's trailer is only 900 kg. Can the trailer hold the weight of 500 bricks? Justify your answer. Since it is 1013, which is exceeding 900, therefore you have to say answer as no. The trailer cannot hold The trailer cannot hold 500 bricks. Like that you have to conclude. The same exact way you have to do this problem. Next, let's go to 13 and 14, which is very simple. He's giving in a right triangle ABC with a right angle at C. See, I am drawing one right triangle. This right angle is at C. Now, you can take A here, B here, whatever it is. These two angles sum. If it is 90, definitely these two angles sum is 90, because total is 180. Therefore, when these two sum is 90, they are called as complementary angles, A and B. See, for complementary angles, when you take A and B, one time you can give sine, one time you have to give cos. Or you take A, B, instead of giving sine, if you give cos, you must give here sine. Like this is the standard result actually we have. Here is sine A given. Therefore, you can take this one. I mean, sine A is how much? Sine A is equal to cos B. That means this equation must be equal. For sine A value is 2x plus 0.1, whereas cos B value is 4x minus 0.7. Now, on subtracting 2x both sides, you get 0.1 as 2x minus 0.7. Then when you add 0.7 on both sides, then you get 0.8 as 2x. Therefore, divide with 2, you get x is equal to 0.4. He asked us to find the value of x. Therefore, we got these values. In the same exact way, please try 14. And see the last question, 15. The answer is given here in two ways. Let me read the question for you quickly. Triangle ABC, DEF, angle C and F are right angles. AC is exactly equal to DF, and CB, the CB is equal to EF. Describe a precise sequence of rigid motions which would show triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DF. You see here EB, when you construct the perpendicular bisector, I mean when the perpendicular bisector is there, along this, if you reflect this triangle to this side, it will coincide with DF, and this will be coming this side. That means one way is reflecting triangle ABC over the perpendicular bisector of EB such that triangle ABC maps onto triangle DF. That is correct answer. Otherwise, translate first triangle ABC along the line CF such that the point C maps onto F, resulting in triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. Then reflect that over the line DF such that this maps onto DF. That means when you translate this, the triangle ABC will come like this. This is the image. After that, again, when you reflect, this will be coming as DF. So either you write this answer, or this answer. Both are correct. Thank you.